This video will demonstrate the walkthrough of the 3D model. The hall is in dome shape, and here is the convocation hall. Beneath this floor are various function halls, and here is the big function hall. The futuristic specialties are the convocation hall involves smart lighting system, autonomous robots, and photography drones. Here is the toilet. And all the rooms across this walkway are functional halls. So, the structural system for the halls are rigid frame which involves beams, columns, walls, and slabs. For the underground floor, the slab is rough foundation supported by piles and retaining wall as external wall. And here is the resting area. So we have shown the overall model of the convocation and function hall. In front of each academic and administration block has a parking area. So, the structural system of administration block is rigid frame which involves beams, columns, walls, and slabs. Let's enter the administration block first. Here is the reception area, and in this block, there are various offices such as VC office, registry, examination, finance, HR, and academic administration. Here is the toilet, another office, all the rooms at top floor also all are offices, and the roofs of all the academic and administration blocks have solar panel to promote sustainability. Now, let's proceed to the academic block. From here, it can be seen that the academic blocks are designed to be like books, which symbolizes storage of knowledge. The structural system of academic blocks are similar to the administration block. The only difference is the cantilever area part. As you can see here, prop columns are provided beneath cantilever part as support. The cantilever area is for prayer rooms, discussion rooms, lecturer offices, and common rooms in which imposed load are not that large. So, the cantilever slab should be able to sustain the loading without failure. Let's enter the academic block first. Here is the resting area and lobby, and let's go up one floor. And this room is the 30-student classroom. Here is toilet. And all the rooms of these floors are 30-student classrooms, so let's skip to the upper floors. Here is the study space. And all of these rooms are discussion rooms. And the floor on top, here, are all for the lecturer offices. For the academic block side, if watched from above, it looks like begonia flower, which symbolizes knowledge and deep thoughts. The site plan can be seen in the report. At the center of the site, as you can see here, it has a large pond which acts as decoration, surrounded by a roundabout. The futuristic specialties of the academic blocks are the classrooms have virtual and augmented reality technologies. Besides, instead of traditional whiteboard, smart boards and interactive displays are used. Instead of traditional library which filled with books, the rooms are filled with Internet of Things devices for students to do research and gain various data and information. This building is academic block type 2, which the interior design are the same, but 30-student classroom are replaced by 50-student classroom as shown just now. And beside it, which is here, is the academic block type 3, which the classroom are being replaced by PG workstations. They also have academic block type 4, which involves combination of classrooms, PG workstation, lecture offices, and common rooms. Type 5 is specifically for lecture offices, And we also have a computer station block as well that has 150 terminals with similar interior design. These are to meet the specific requirements requested. And here are the labs which are being provided as well. Let's enjoy the scenery of the entire academic block site area. The more detailed interior design of all the academic blocks and administration block can be seen in the appendix architectural plan view part of the report.
Now we are going to travel to the residential area of the students. So this is known as a petal 1. In a uni there are a total 5 petals, which is 5 different villages. And this is the parking area which is arranged for the students to park their respective vehicles. And this is the hostel block, where each hostel consists of 10-story building. Now we are going into the hostel blocks. This is the main lobby of the hostel, which is consists of 4 rooms. In one level there can be set up until 16 students. One room consists of 4 students. And now we are going to see the interior design of the hostel rooms. So we have a total 4 beds, 4 set of study table and chairs, and 2 set of wardrobe. And we also have an air conditioner for the students. Now we are going to the second lobby of the level, and this is the second lobby, which is consists of a resting area, staircase, and a lift to students get up into the levels. And this is the resting area, and there will be a pantry to students prepare their food or drinks. Now we are going to the cafe. In each petals there will be a one cafe. So this cafe is designed as a 1-story, and now we are getting into the cafe. So this is the dining area where students can get their food and enjoy it. And we also have a vending machine for students to get some drinks and foods. Now we are going to the waiting area. So this is the waiting area where the food will be prepared. Then next we are going to see the kitchen of the cafe. So this is the cafe kitchen, and then this is a pantry. And this is the overview of petal 1.
Now we will look into a sport complex. As you can see, we have 3 outdoor facilities, which are the tennis courts, futsal courts, and the basketball courts. These outdoor facilities have at once line call systems, which can help the referees in reviewing critical decisions during the competitions. We also have 3 buildings for indoor facilities. First, we look into building 3, which is an indoor swimming pool. It uses RC rigid frame system with RC columns and beams to support the tall wall. Then we also have a steel roof that braces the 3 buildings and supported by steel trusses from the 3 buildings. Now we will look into building 2 with squash courts, table tennis room, and badminton courts. Particularly for the sport complex building 2, a composite rigid frame with a wafer slab system is used to create large span with efficient load-bearing capabilities at the badminton court floor, as the floor below is squash court, which has limited space for column placement. We also make use of energy-efficient heating, ventilation, and air conditioning systems that are properly sized and optimized for the facility needs for indoor buildings. Now we will look into the last building, which is the building 1. This building is also supported by RC columns, RC slabs, and RC beams. And this is the changing room for male and female. On top of that, we also have common rooms for students to do discussion for clubs and activities. Next, we also have gym room for students to do their gym. At the ground floor, we also have sport administration office and a storeroom. And that is the overview of the Lake Blossom University. Thank you.